know you know. Now tell me, what did Nike say? Just do it. You see, because it's that simple, it's that easy. Or maybe not. Welcome back to 30 days of pouring into ourselves. How are we feeling? It is day 26. 26 days and you're still here. Wow. And you still look that good. Can't you see I got all dressed up for you? Like, the top is Pretty Little Thing. But anyways, diving into the song of the day. The song of the day is Tit for Tat, All I Know. It's a great song. I love it. Let me just do a little. All I know, you're scared to be alone. Too scared to. Like, hold on. Maybe I need to play it for you. All I know, you're scared to. But oh, for any newcomers, this is a daily affirmations challenge. It's a no excuse way to make more time for you in your busy day-to-day. Okay, we share our favorite songs of the day, we answer challenging questions to pick our brains, and then to top it all off, we affirm each other with words of love and light every single day to tackle anything that we feel we want to work on, or just keep a habit of saying great things to ourselves. So let's get into it, okay? And today we have a special guest. As you can see, I really just wanted some tea. okay, she's gonna sit right here. Anyways, diving into picking your brain. Okay, so I know why you clicked on this video. We're gonna jump right to it. Don't let me get my glasses out, okay? I have my journal here, so I'm about to play therapist for a second like I normally do. 3 things. I need 3 things that you've been struggling to make a decision on or for, and I need those things to be doable today. Today. I'm not playing with you. Literally today. What you need to do is rank how, on a scale of 1 to 10, or 1 to 3, since there's 3 of them, rank which one's the hardest, which one's the easiest, and ask yourself, are you going to be thinking about making a decision about this next week? If the answer is yes, go ahead and do it. Have you been pondering this decision for longer than 48 hours? For days, weeks, months? Do it. Is making this decision going to hurt you? Like physically? If it's not going to, do it. I don't really have a number 4, but I just like that we're counting to 5. But the moral of the story is, if you want to do it, this is what I tell my friends to encourage them. If you want to do it, do it. And then they'll spit it right back to me and I'll be like, ah, what do you mean? No, I need another 40. We know at the end of the day, you're going to do it when you feel most comfortable. But for certain things, sooner is better than later. Oh my gosh. I might have to add that to my song of the day. Sooner Than Later by Drake. So if you put it together, make it sooner than later. Y'all don't know about that. I mean, maybe you do. But if you know about that, like, we're literally friends. We're friends. Because that's my jam. And y'all know that's a very old song. Or, I guess, depending on how old you are, it's old to you. But anyways, if you're struggling with making a decision on something that in your heart, in your subconscious, you already know, let's do it. My tips for you would be to call a friend and do it on the phone with a friend. Let them encourage you while you're doing it. Put on a playlist. Make a playlist of when you're ready to do something and you feel those nerves start to be like, put on the playlist or put on a song. And when that song is done, the deed will be done. Okay? To make it simpler and easier on your end, because when you start to go back and forth on your decisions, you're telling yourself, hey, I don't really trust myself, but I do, but I don't. And then you're giving this mental stress so much more time and energy to suck away from you, and you don't deserve that. If you have to do it during the duration of this video, please do it. Please do it. If it's not harming you, I can tell you right now, there is no wrong decisions. Either way, when you do something and you follow through, there's going to be blessings, and then there's going to be some things that you learn. No matter if you pick the decision that literally God says, hey, make this decision, there's always going to be something that you have to learn from it. So at the very least of it all, push the button and allow yourself to feel more confident making these decisions. Okay, I won't chat your ear off anymore, but I think, like, I should get my PhD at this point. I would be the greatest therapist. But anyways, I want to share something super cute before we dive into the affirmations. I know I'm giving chatty Cathy, but I wanted to talk today, so scroll or swipe, whatever you got to do if you don't want to be here. But I know you do. This is your reminder to spend time with your friends, that your love language, their love language matters. I don't know if you have a partner. I'm echoing the same thing for that. But look at this cute little painting I made yesterday. Isn't it so cute? It is so cute. So cute. Me and my friend, my close friend, who literally does not live like anywhere near here, we decided to have a painting date, and we watched one of those videos, and I could put a video in. It was so cute. The final product, we were like, oh my god, I love yours, I love yours. Oh, yours looks nice. I love the bottom. It was such a cute moment. So as a reminder, I know maybe this is something you'd probably do back when quarantine was a thing, but if you have relationships or friendships that you really treasure, this is a reminder to spend time with them, because that is what really matters at the end of the day. Okay, now we're moving into the affirmations. Okay, let's take a deep breath, and I'm gonna take a sip of tea. Ready? Inhale with me, and exhale. We're gonna take 3 breaths because I need them today. Inhale with me. And exhale. Last one. Inhale with me. And exhale. Already feeling more grounded. Like, the whole energy has shifted. Now we take a sip of tea because, yeah. Okay, let's jump into it. I feel healthy and have enough energy to make decisions that are right for me. With my wisdom, I am able to make smart choices. Being decisive comes naturally to me. I am unafraid of making decisions. Every time I make a decision, I feel internal joy. When I make decisions, I strengthen my trust of self. And my decisions reflect how much I truly trust myself. I am very capable of making decisions that are right for me. I make responsible decisions. I approve of all of my decisions. I understand that there is no right or wrong when it comes to making decisions. By making a decision, I am telling myself that I am capable of entering and accepting more. by making decisions, I walk new paths. And with each decision that I make, I know and trust that I am still being divinely guided. Or can I say that one again? And with each decision that I make, I know and trust that I am still being divinely guided. I release all that I no longer need. I free myself from mental distress and indecision. When I think about making my decision, I feel joy because I know that the pondering and the stress and the worry is over. My subconscious is my partner in decision making. Or can I say that one again? My subconscious is my partner when it comes to decision making. I am confident in making choices that feel right for me. I am confident in making choices that are right for me. This one is a quote, actually. I return my power to its rightful place. I make my own decisions. I fulfill myself. And you know you're going to say that one again. I return my power to its rightful place. I make my own decision. I fulfill myself. I take responsibility for each decision that I make. I take responsibility for each decision that I make. When it comes to making decisions, I am calm, relaxed, and clear-headed. When it comes to making decisions, I am calm, relaxed, and at ease. I understand that by making decisions, I am allowing myself to progress and move forward in my journey called life. I am positive and optimistic about all my choices. I am positive and optimistic about all my choices. And I always find a way to see the good in every situation. This one I love. My inner wisdom guides me to make right decisions and take the steps necessary to achieve my aspirations. I like how you say it. We're gonna do that one again. My inner wisdom guides me to make right decisions and take the steps necessary to achieve my aspirations. this is going to be the last two. I am open to new opportunities in my life and am ready to make a change in the direction towards more happiness. We're going to say that one more time before we get into the last one. I am open to new opportunities in my life and am ready to make a change in the right direction towards more happiness. I'm gonna fan you off because you're looking a little too hot right now. And finally, I am ready to accept the things I long for. I am ready to accept the things I long for. I hope you feel a little better. I will see you tomorrow. Have a wonderful day.